Kumbashi Hajar ngot kibala pendap ya ka kampule haka nursing kilawan baneshim menta haka yo watkam ne ka job fair Shabari kebalong menta ka sau tarik nailar al Hajar al Paulai Hashilong. Menteri rangba ka jala ukonrat ke sangma ulaong bakane ka de ka sinjam kebal shim ka tanat ka kot ka khya ka jala ban penyok kam ki samla kibala pendap haka jingpule haka ne ka nursing haka baka sarkar jala kan jit ya kibat bit bat kan a jingkershan sanpho Hajar haka jing syahikai. Kani kan wanra ya kajing kala kajing imjong ki samla ha ka yok kam yok jam bat ula ai khuble ya ka menteri ka tanat ka kot ka khya ka kong amperin lingdo ka bala pli ya kani kalat bat en sapenlong hatura ru ya ka bakum kani ka program.
I'll talk about a country like Bangladesh. And if you study the entire economy of Bangladesh in the last 2 decades, you will see that the amount of foreign exchange that came in because of the people that were working outside coming into the country, into Bangladesh, and the kind of impact it had in the overall savings because people in Bangladesh save a lot. You saw this complete, change taking place at the grassroots level in terms of the overall economics. This is just one example of how this entire process could benefit our state. And as I said, apart from the foreign exchange that comes in, the exposure that each one of you will get, the fact that the relationship with the other countries will improve, the fact that not just in nursing, but tomorrow there could be other business opportunities that will open up, the relationship between Meghalaya, India and the countries where we're going to go to will open up more opportunities in other areas like agriculture or trade. And that's really what I look at, and as a government we look at. That when this was presented to me, clearly it made a lot of sense for us to go ahead and do this so that we are able to, as I said, get advantage for our youth and for our nurses in terms of the opportunity that exists. So therefore this is a great project. This is something that we fully support. Our minister has mentioned that there was a request from the training company that there should be some subsidy and some financial support from the state government, and the amount that was mentioned by them, which was 50,000 rupees per beneficiary, without any hesitation, as I said, the finance department has cleared that. And Kong Ampreen was asking me that how many people are we looking at? Is there a limit to the number of people that we will send in the first year? I told her very, very clearly and very confidently, we have no limits. So in case tomorrow all 1,000 of you are there who wish to go and qualify and are able to complete your training, rest assured the state government will support each and every one of you. We are not going to leave any stone not unturned, I should say. We will make sure that every stone is unturned to ensure that this opportunity it comes along and you're able to take advantage of it. And let's just realize this, it's not rocket science or a great... That this whole idea was brought in by her and discussed with the department. And when they came to me with the presentation, of course, without any hesitation, I personally and the whole other departments that were present felt that this is a great opportunity for the youth of our state. And basically this is an initiative that was taken by our Honorable Minister for Health, Kong Amperin Lingdo, where there was a huge gap that was seen in terms of the need for health care services, especially for nurses at the international level, and the availability of skilled manpower at the state of Meghalaya. And hence the only requirement was to actually connect these two dots, where the government could play a very crucial role in financially supporting as well as logistically supporting this entire initiative. And that is what we're doing today. We have this overseas nurse job fair, where an overwhelming response has come from the nursing community. We have more than 1,000 nurses who have come in here in the first phase, and we are now going to go through a selection process where few nurses will be selected, and the government of Meghalaya will be supporting them with 50,000 for their training. from the government of Meghalaya's side per individual, and as many as they qualify, we will be happy to support as many as possible. And we hope that once this happens, this will be a huge impact, not just in the personal lives of the individuals who get through, but for the overall state, where foreign exchange, different connections and different sectors will then open up for economic activity in the state with the country with which we are able to partner with and send our manpower out there. So it's a great step forward, and I congratulate the Honourable Minister, congratulate the department and all the stakeholders who have made this particular job fair a possibility. We will be having this job fair also in Tura very soon because our nurses from Tura were not able to come. So we will ensure that in Garo Hills region also this job fair is conducted. And in the future, not just nursing, but we hope to be able to expand and reach out to other sectors also apart from nursing, like hospitality, like the construction sector, and even areas of, like, say for example, music and other sectors. So we are seeing a great opportunity, and this is just the beginning. We hope that we'll be able to really expand this and really provide great opportunity to the youth of our state.